HEC Electronics. So this video we are going to see a recruitment news from Indian Army. So there is a recruitment happening for technical graduate course from Indian Army. We are going to see all details regarding this recruitment. Before going into the video, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and also follow us on our Instagram page. And if you want the notification links of these job updates and the notes of the technical videos, that is subject related videos, then please do subscribe to our Telegram channel also. Okay. So we are going to see the details of Indian Army recruitment. As I've said, it is for the post or technical graduate course is the name of the post for which they are recruiting. And if you are unmarried male, if you are belonging to the category of unmarried male, only then you are eligible to apply. Okay. So if you are belonging to other categories, you can skip the video now, but do suggest the video to the qualified candidates. Okay. So applications are invited from the unmarried male engineering graduates. Okay. And also here, final years are also eligible. A lot of branches they're actually recruiting. Mostly all branches of engineering they are recruiting for this course. We are going to see all details regarding the branch. Before seeing the branch details, the age limit is 20 to 27 years is the age limit. Okay. And the candidates should be born in between 2nd July 1994 to 1st July 2001. If you are born in between these dates and the dates are inclusive, then you are eligible. The age limit is coming from 20 to 27 years as a maximum age limit. Okay. So the qualification is engineering degree. If you have passed the engineering degree, or if you are a final year student, that is 2021 batch also eligible. Okay. Next, let us see the details of branches they are recruiting. First one is civil engineering. Actually, all branches of civil engineering related areas are also eligible. Civil technology, construction engineering, all the branches they are recruiting. Also environmental engineering, environmental science and engineering. So for all these branches, totally 11 vacancies is there. Okay. Next one is mechanical engineering. So mechanical engineering, mechanical, mechatronics, mechanical automation, all these combining 3 vacancies. Okay. Next one, electrical and electronics. All these branches combining 4 vacancies is there. Next one, computer science, computer technology, MSc computer science also eligible. Okay. Totally 9 vacancies. These all branches can apply. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, programming, nanotechnology. All these are eligible. Next is IT, 3 vacancy. MSc IT or MSc information and communication technology also applicable. Then electronics and telecommunication. Here also MSc electronics batches can also apply. A lot of comments I do get regarding MSc electronics recruitment updates. Here it is. If you are either passed out MSc electronics, or if you are a final year student, then also you are eligible. 2 vacancies is there. The telecommunication engineering, 1 vacancy. Electronics and communication specifically, they are recruiting 1 vacancy. Then satellite communication, 1 vacancy. Aerospace, aeronautical and avionics, 3 vacancies. Automobile, 1 vacancy. Textile engineering, 1 vacancy. Totally 40 vacancies is there. Okay. So mostly all branches of engineering, whatever branches is there, they are actually recruiting. Okay. Totally 40 vacancies is there. Now talking about the selection process, initially, so there is, if you are getting selected for this post, initially there will be a training, and the training period is, duration of training is 49 weeks is the duration of training. Okay. And after the training, you will be absorbed as permanent. Okay. So that is the nature of the selection. And also the promotion criteria, pay scale, everything they have mentioned here in detail. The starting pay scale is 56,100, and you will be getting this pay scale during your training period. After the completion of the training period, you will be getting the allowances also. Okay. So that is how you are going to get the selection, that is the salary or the pay scale. Everything they have given in detail. Next, let us see the selection process. Okay. So the selection process, we know that it is actually through SSB. There will be a 5-day SSB interview will be conducted, and only the shortlisted candidates will be getting the email from their side regarding the SSB interview. The location of the SSB, everything they will be mentioning in that date. Mostly for all major cities of India, there is locations. Okay, so the location of SSB and all they'll be indicating or informing you through the mail. And in the SSB, there will be group tasks, there will be group discussions, there will be physical tasks, there will be group activities will be there. So all these things will be combined together as a 5-day SSB, and also document verification. You will have to take some lectures and classes. All these things will be there in the SSB interview. Okay. So if you are getting shortlisted, you will get a mail regarding the SSB interview. Now talking about the application procedure. Okay, so for applying, you have to go to this site www.joinindianarmy.nic.in and click on the link called registration, and you will get an application form. Click on the application form, fill up your details, submit now. Okay, so that is the application procedure. Now talking about the last date for applying is, the last date they have mentioned here. See, the online application will open from 25th Feb, means it has already opened, to 26th March is the last date for applying. Okay, so you have to apply on or before 26th of March. Okay, the application procedure is online only. Everything they have given in detail. See here, the stages of SSB, everything they have given. Shortlisting of applications, selection procedure they have given as very detailed. Sender allotting, everything. So these are the various centers. See, as I've told, there are actually centers in all main cities. There is in Allahabad, Bhopal, Bangalore, Kapurthala. All these are the centers. Okay, well, these are the main centers of the selection. Okay. See here, they have given, there will be also medical examination. Then so we have seen regarding the application procedure, the link of application I'll be posting in description. Now I have told you that selection process is consisting of SSB, and also there are various stages of selection. See here, they have given it in detail. Shortlisting of applications is the first stage. Then sender allotment. Now the senders also they have given here. See here, only shortlisted eligible candidates depending on the cutoff will be interviewed in the selection centers, and the centers are in UP, Allahabad is the center, then Bhopal, Bangalore, Kapurthala, etc. is the centers. Okay. So in any of these centers, they'll be conducting the SSB. Okay. Also, they have given regarding the other things, regarding the 2-stage selection procedure, what all things will be there, everything they have given here, and also there will be medical examination. Okay. So these are the various stages of SSB. Now inside the SSB, see there they have given that it is a 5 days SSB. In the SSB, I have told you that there will be the group discussions, taking of classes, that is presentations will be there. There will be mental ability analyzing stages will be there, physical task will be there, group activities will be there. So these are the various things you are going to face in the SSB. Okay, so that's all about the recruitment news from Indian Army. So we have seen all details in a very brief. So if you are interested, and if you are belonging to the category of unmarried male and having this age specification also, it is 20 to 27 years. If you are belonging to this age group also, please to apply for it. There is no fees for applying. The selection process is SSB, and also we have seen the application procedure. Okay, so that's all about the job update from Indian Army. The pay scale is actually very good. 56,100 above will be the pay scale. Okay, so please to apply for it. There is no fees also. Okay, so if you are finding these videos useful, please to subscribe to our channel for daily recruitment updates, and please to follow us on our Instagram page also. So that's it. If you found the video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends, and please to subscribe to the channel also. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.